This is King Tips. Today I'm going to show you guys how to set digital Casio F-91 and something amazing. So this is the F-91. As you can see, F-91W Casio. So let's get started. So this button, the bottom button on your left side, you can press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you start to blink. Then the top button you press, it puts you to whichever you want to go. You want to go to day, date, time. You got a minute, you have the hour, you have a second. So you press this one and you put it to 6. So say you want to change it to 7. So on the right side at the bottom, you press this one. You go 7, you can go 8, 10. If you want to go to the minute, you press the top one again on the left side. Then slowly come back to the right side. You go up. Say it's 820, you press 820. So good, it's on 20. Then we want to go to the day. So you press the mood. Well, that's the month. So say it's the 3rd. So you press the bottom on the right side. 1, 2, 3. You get 3rd. Then you come back to the left side of the top. You press it. So that's 24s. So say it's the 26th. So you press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's the 26th. So the days. So you press one more time on the left top. Say it's Friday. So you press the right side button to the bottom. Thursday, Friday. That's it. Then you go back. That's it. So time, day, everything, full display. And when you finish, you press on the left side to the bottom. That's it, it's set. So you have the whole settings. Then I'm going to show you guys something amazing with the same Casio F-91. So you press this button on the right side to the bottom and hold it. You see, it's a Casio. Is that amazing? Yeah. All right. Then you press back this button 2 times, 3 times. Then you press, and then you press back this one, and you get the time. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's your boy King Tips. Thank you very much. God bless.